Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper, no. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, April the 12th, 2023. We have no extra puzzles. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition, March the 3rd. Yeah, while ago, more than a month, 2023. And I've already solved two puzzles, the ladder Sudoku and the two-star Sudoku. So one puzzle remains, and that is the Tectonic with 1 star. Yeah, Tectonic with 1 star. And this will be number 6266. Well, 6266. Double six. Yeah. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 19 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Of course, it's indicated with 1 star. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, we will see if this is 1 star puzzle. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. Yeah, this one has 19. All right. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only one single box. It's always a 1. Dual boxes do we have here? I see here a dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. Triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes here? Here, a triple box. Cannot fill this yet. Need more information. Insufficient information right now. And when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, yeah, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. All right. Triple boxes, quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes here? No quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the upside down, the L shape. When you see the L shape, let me draw this here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more L shapes? Yeah. Yeah. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Yeah. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here. Another one. This box has the same number as that box. More? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Figure, structure, or construction, whatever you name it. This shape, let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Oh, right, it's connected here. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one shape. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. A maximum of 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those and numbers. So let's get started filling those and numbers. These 2 boxes surround the 1. Can it be a 1? So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Can it be 2? So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1. Can it be a 1? That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. These two boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Well, I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 now, so this box can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here or here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. Right. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be here. Well, it's not a solution to place the 4 there. If I place the 4 there, this box is connected with that box, should be also 4. But we already have a 4 there. No solution for the 4 there. The 4 is supposed to be here. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area should be there. Alright, then 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3. And that box is also connected with this box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, let me mark those, 2 and 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. We see another 4 here, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 1. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, so 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5, 3 and 5. These 2 boxes can be a 2. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 1. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I've marked these two boxes with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here. Could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. The other pair should be the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left here in this triple box for numbers 3 and a 1. 3 and a 1. 3 and a 5, we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. Okay, these two boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 1, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Faster than 50 minutes. Told you, is an easy one with the 1 star indication. So we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and the Samwise Sudoku, a.k.a. quintuplet. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.